So it's the next day and it's freezing. This weather has been so freaking crazy. Like, I don't know what's going on with this weather. Anyways, I'm about to just up pot the those things that I was talking about yesterday that I'm gonna up pot. And then I'm also gonna pull up the broccoli and also the collards. I'm gonna pull those up. Although whatever's, let me just show you guys. It looked like something been eating the collards. So I'm like, maybe I should leave the collards in there so they don't eat my tomatoes, but I don't know what's been eating them. But then again, I'm like, the onions on this side with the collards are not doing well versus the ones that don't have the collards. So I'm like, are they not being fed enough? Referring to the onions. Let me just show you guys. So if you guys can see, I have onions throughout here, but these ones are like thriving. So I'm like, is it because I still have the collards in there? I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. And this is what I was saying. I'm assuming something's eating these. I guess I must, I mean, what is that? Y'all see that in there? What is those? Can y'all see those little dots? Should I leave these? I don't know. Because I'm ready to just, I don't know what I should do. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see what I decide on. Oh my gosh, look how big that one is. I literally just picked one off of this one yesterday that was about that size yesterday. I can't wait. Oh, look at it. Literally, it was not like this yesterday. This is so amazing. I need to stop being like super dramatic, but I just find it amazing. Oh yeah. I'm about to just up pot the stuff and all of this. Up pot it. It's already been amended. The soil has already been amended. I brought the soil from my house. I got my water. And yeah, I'm about to just go ahead and up pot everything. So I have my, what is this? This nasty stuff, okra, watermelon, and, oh wait, no, this is watermelon. What is this? Oh, this is more squash. So yeah, that's all I'm about to do, you guys. And I gotta figure out how I'm going to set my camera up because of course I forgot my tripod. We'll see. So far, everything is going well for my summer garden. Maybe I should knock on wood. Maybe I shouldn't say that. But I have been checking on my garden every other day. But this week, actually, I've been doing it every 3 days because we are getting ready to move. I'm actually moving about 25-ish minutes away from my sister's house. Right now, we live very close to her. And it's like nothing for me to come every other day or actually come every day. But yeah, we're moving. And so I am more than likely just going to be going to her house every day and have her water my plants so that they don't die. And I'm going to be on her like, listen, please water the plants. I've put too much time, work, money, effort, everything into this garden. I need for you to actually take care of my babies. Like I said, I'm going to check on them every other day. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Evita. I started gardening last year, so I am still a newbie. I do not know anything, y'all. It's like I'm joking. I learned a lot last year because I had stuff that was just dying. The only thing that basically survived my garden last year were my peppers, my bell peppers. They lasted forever. I was picking peppers until like November. So that was like the only thing I did good last year. My tomatoes, child, we ain't even gonna talk about those because we're just not going to talk about it because it was a hot mess. Anyways, you guys, I had picked up these starters from my local garden nursery, my favorite garden nursery that I like to go to because their starters are usually very cheap. If you go to their, like in their sections, they have like, of course, all of the different plants, but in each like cell, I don't know what it's called, cell, they have like 6 or more seedlings that they had growing, and they're only like $1.99. Super excited. And that is what causes me to overbuy. As you guys can see, I am planting up potting very late. All right, I'm finished. I planted all of the okra. I don't know if I should put 2 okras in one grow bag or not, but guess what? That's how they are because I don't have enough soil. But I did only put 1 squash into each bag because I know squash grow very big, as we see out there. So I'm about to take these out here. I don't think I'm going to water them because it's supposed to rain for the rest of the week. So I'll wait and see. And it's supposed to be raining like within the next 30 minutes. So I had to rush over here. I look like a hot mess. And now I just realized I need to go to Lowe's. Yeah, so I need to pick up some vermiculite, perlite, and that's all I can remember. I might have to get some potting soil as well. So yeah, yippee. I don't know how I'm gonna lift the potting soil because of my hand, but we shall see. Maybe I can ask somebody to put it in my car. We'll see. All right, you guys, let me move these out of here. Also, if you're new to my channel, I do not garden at my house. I garden at my sister's house. Currently, we are staying in a townhouse and we are not allowed to put anything into the grass. And of course, my sister owns her house and she doesn't have an HOA. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. I love gardening. I think I'm obsessed now. I really think I'm obsessed with gardening now. This summer, I have so many different things growing. I have potatoes, onions, garlic. Of course, I have all like my marigolds growing as well. And then I also have 2 different types of lettuces. So I planted romaine and the black seed or Simpson black seeded lettuce. So I just realized I forgot to label. I know I be forgetting that. So I'm about to go in the house and label this stuff. I don't know what to do with the watermelon at this point. I'm about to just throw it away because I don't know where to plant it. Like I don't want it to cross pollinate with anything. So I just don't understand it. I don't understand it. Someone please help me out. Anyways, I'm about to go in the house, write down these labels, and I don't know if I want to hit the Lowe's. You guys see what I have on, a mess. Like I said, I was just trying to hurry up and get over here before it started to rain and get everything done because I want the ones that I just potted to get some rainwater. Yeah. So we'll see. I'm about to go ahead and head on into the house. So what I'm about to do is pull up all of the what is this, radishes, because they're like super spicy now. And yeah, so I don't know, that one was on the struggle bus. Is this a squash? I mean, not a squash. Is this? Oh my God, look at this radish. I didn't know what this was. It's thick like a celery stalk. I'm like, what is this? Okay, well, we're gonna pull that one up. And we're also gonna pull you up. I mean, you look super tiny, but I can pull you up. Because like I said, they're super spicy and they just been in there for way too long. Now, I am going to go to Lowe's. I know I've been said I was about to go to Lowe's, but I just need to count how many these I'm gonna have, and I'm gonna have exactly 4, and I have 4 watermelon plants, so that makes me a whole lot happier. So I got this one, then I got these ones that I'm going to pull up as well. So let me go ahead and pull these up. This is, I gotta remind myself that this is broccoli. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez Louise, I did not want to let go. I just lay these on the ground. Maybe I shouldn't have did that. I don't know. I don't know what I should be doing, y'all, at this point. I don't know. I'll just lay them over here. So I know that those ones are broccoli. And I am going to pull them up. And I'm going to let these ones dry out. Hopefully they'll be dry within the next couple of weeks. And then I can put them in seed bags. Ooh. Ooh. All right, so I was on the phone with my sister for a long time, my other sister that's in Vegas. So what I did is I picked up some potting soil right here, vermiculite, perlite, and I already had this, but I forgot to get some cow manure, but whatever, I'm not going back out. And what I'm about to do is up pot the watermelon, and I'm gonna also plant the rest of, or try to plant the rest of the squash. I'm gonna put the watermelon, I don't know if I wanna put it, this isn't gonna, I might put it right here where this is. We should see. There's a lot of water in there. Like I said, we've been getting a lot of rain again. I keep forgetting to get like a rain collector bucket thingy, but whatever. So I'm thinking about like putting one watermelon thing right here and then another one right here. And I have 4, and I'll put the other 2 back there. We shall see. We shall see what I do. I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know. We'll see what I do. I'm about to fill up these grow bags. I have some others. I need a total of probably 10. I'm missing one. 1, 2, 3. Maybe not. Oh yeah, the right back here where the radishes were. So I'm about to do that. I can set you guys somewhere. So I'm about to set you guys up and finish doing this. Other things I have grown in my garden include tomatoes. I don't know, I'm not sure if I already said onions. So onions, okra, even though I do not like okra, I'm just growing it for the heck of it, and I'm just going to give it away. And then I have squash, zucchini. I have 1 carrot. 1 carrot growing. Hopefully it's going to be a big good one, but we shall see. I also have beets. I actually picked one of my beets the other day and put it in the refrigerator. I hope it isn't bad. I just totally forgot about it. Oh, I'm gonna be so sad if it's no longer good. Anyways, I also have cucumbers growing. I think that's it. Oh, watermelon. I forgot about the watermelon. I have watermelon growing as well. I am thinking if there's anything else that I forgot to tell you guys that I'm growing, but I'm pretty sure that's all. I have already started working on my fall list of what I actually want to grow, and I have a lot of things actually on that list, but I seem to do better with growing things in the fall versus growing them in the summer because, all the bugs that come in the summertime. But anyways, my list for my fall garden includes spinach, carrots, beets, bush beans, mustard greens, collards, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, bok choy, kale, lettuce, radishes, cilantro, and green onions. Now, I know y'all probably like, Evita, what are you doing? Why you got so much? Listen, go hard or go home. Like, I'm just gonna do all of that because I want to. I don't want to keep taking baby steps. I want to grow a lot of stuff. I want to replace me buying things in the store that could have been sprayed with who knows what was sprayed on them. So yeah, and eating organic from the store is too expensive. It's too expensive. I mean, Evita gardening is expensive too, but it tastes better when you garden it yourself. Like, I'm joking, but yeah, I just like gardening. So I want to grow 100% of my own food that I'd eat. Of course, I'm vegan or plant-based, whatever you want to call it. So I want to play an active role in just taking care of the food that I eat, growing the food that I eat, knowing what was put into the food that I eat. So yeah, that is the reason why I have started gardening. Like I was saying earlier, last year I almost gave up because it was a very hard struggle when I started in the summer. I should have started a fall garden instead. All right, finally finished. This is the okra. It hasn't rained, but it's gonna rain. I'm assuming it's gonna rain. I pulled up all of the collards, the leftover collards. I think I did. I hope I did. But yeah, I pulled up the collards. So hopefully the onions grow a little better. Let me move this. Hopefully the onions. What is this? Oh, the flowers. I'm like, what the heck is it? Anyways, oh, Lord, look at me. Just be throwing stuff everywhere. Everything is looking good. Look at that. Look at that little cutie. I'm so obsessed, you guys. Okra. Watermelon is back here. I hope that's far enough away from everything else, because I do have squash right here, as you guys can see. Should I move the squash to the other side of the greenhouse and then move like the tomatoes over here? I don't know. I honestly don't know what to do. I just hope that I don't know. I don't understand. I mean, I understand cross-pollinating, but I don't understand how far stuff needs to be away from each other. And then these are, oh, this is squash. I'm like, what is this? Yeah, I didn't realize I bought so many squash plants. So I'm gonna be giving a lot of squash away this summer. Yeah, I did not. No, that's not it. And then I also pulled up these. So I pulled these up. This one is broccoli, and those over there, both shelves, are colored. But you guys, that is all that I have for you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.